Have you ever wanted to save your money in a high-interest savings account? If so, then you may be interested in EQ Bank. EQ Bank is a Canadian online bank that offers high-interest savings accounts with no monthly fees. In this video, I will show you how to deposit money into your EQ Bank account. Before we get started, I would like to take a moment to talk about the importance of saving money. Saving money is a great way to reach your financial goals, whether it is buying a house, paying for college, or just saving for retirement. Now that we have talked about the importance of saving money, let's get started with the tutorial. Go to the EQ Bank website and click on the Open an Account button. Enter your personal information, such as your name, address, and date of birth. Choose the type of account you want to open. Enter your banking information. Once you have completed your application, you will be able to log into your EQ Bank account. To deposit money into your account, click on the Deposit button. Enter the amount of money you want to deposit. Choose your deposit method. Once you have completed your deposit, the money will be credited to your account. Additional tips. You can also deposit money into your EQ Bank account by using Interac eTransfer. You can also deposit money into your EQ Bank account by mailing a check to EQ Bank. You can also deposit money into your EQ Bank account by using a wire transfer. If you have any questions about how to deposit money into your EQ Bank account, please contact EQ Bank customer service. Now that you know how to deposit money into your EQ Bank account, you can start saving money for your future. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. If you are interested in learning more about EQ Bank, please visit their website. Thanks for watching.